Hello and welcome to another C tutorial video. In this video I want to show you how to use function pointers. Function pointers are pointers that point to a specific function. So it has a unique syntax. First of all, we specify the return type, then with the naming, so it can be anything. Let's say it's foo, and then we have like the parameter list. In our case it would be 2 integers, and that's our function pointer. Now we can define a function which has the same signature, int sum, int a and int b. It basically just returns a plus b, and now we can give it a try. We have foo, we can assign foo now the function, and we can try to call the function. Let's say we have a result, and then let's give it a try. So basically what we have done is we have here declared a function pointer with the name foo. Its return type is int, and it accepts 2 integers as parameters as arguments. Then we assign foo this sum function. We then pass 2 arguments, namely 1 and 2, and then we print the result. Let's see if it works. So as you can see, we have 3. In this brief example, I have shown you how to declare a function pointer and how to assign a value to this function pointer and how to call the function pointer. I hope this will be helpful for your case. There are more complex ones which I will cover in other videos, so stay tuned. See you. Thank you.